Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. I actually love Valentine's Day. It's probably my favorite holiday. I'm so into all that corny stuff, you know, like the teddy bears and the flowers and the chocolate. The only chocolate I like is Raisinets, which I know a lot of people don't like those, but I like Raisinets and Crunch. Not the whole like Crunch bar, but like the little bunch ones or whatever it's called. I love those. I did kind of like a really simple eye. I tried out some new lashes and I added a red lip for that little glam sparkle, you know. You could probably add like a little bit of a shimmer inner corner as well. I think that would be really cute. This is my new hair. I am now officially blonde. I do have a vlog coming out soon of like the process and stuff, so you guys can see the before and after kind of thing. But yeah, it's definitely taking some time to get used to. I look at myself right now and I'm like, the tone is kind of more of like a neutral tone. I usually have more of like a yellow blonde. Let me know in the comments if you guys like my hair or not, or if you guys like the old highlights I had or black hair. You guys know I always go back and forth, blonde, black. I really miss doing makeup tutorials. I think I'm gonna start doing some more. If you guys would like that, give this video a thumbs up. It really pushes my video out there. Yeah, I love you guys, and let's get into the tutorial. I'm gonna prime my eyelids really quickly. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I don't want too much going on. The red lip is already super out there, so I don't want too much. I'm going to go in with this ColourPop palette. You guys know I love this eyeshadow right here. It's called Shooting Star. It's from this Dream Street palette. Then I'm going to go in with this Kylie palette. This is like one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. And I'm going to take this color here. Just going to go on like the outside, kind of in my crease. I'm not a makeup artist, okay? I kind of just use stuff. I'm gonna take this dark brown and I'm gonna kind of do like an eyeshadow liner type of thing. So it's gonna be kind of like a winged liner, but it's all smudge. So I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna put on some mascara. I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and then the lashes I'm gonna try, these are baddie. I've never used these, so hopefully they look good. I did already cut them. They're a little intense, but I kind of like them. The band is kind of hard to apply though, I will admit. I kind of struggled a little bit, but I don't think they look bad, so I'm just gonna keep them on. I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. I use the shade Light Neutral. I used to use Light Medium Sand, but I like a little bit brighter, so I'm gonna use this one. I haven't tanned and used this concealer before, like this shade. It's really light, but hopefully with all the powder and stuff, it'll be fine. And then I like to set it with my Mercier powder. This is my Holy Grail powder. Cannot live without this. So I like to take just like a light layer of it with a brush first. I use this Luxie 522 brush, and I just kind of brush over it really quickly just to set it, and then I like to bake. I'm gonna bake with my beauty blender. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the Bare Minerals Bare Pro powder. This is the same as the foundation I used. It's in the shade Sable. And I'm just gonna use like a fluffy brush. I really need to get a new one, as you can see. But this literally gives you a flawless face. Like, this is my favorite powder. I've been using this for like at least 4 years. I totally forgot, I put a poll on Instagram for this makeup look if I should do a red lip or nude lip, and look at the votes. It's 64 votes red lip, 62 votes nude lip. It's so close. I'm gonna go in with mascara to kind of blend the two and also put some on my lower lash line. I make the ugliest face when I do this, so I'm gonna do this off camera so you guys don't make fun of me. I'm going to contour. I was gonna cream contour, but I never do it, so I just kept doing my face like I normally do. I was going to cream contour though using this iconic London stick. What is this called? 3.1 pigment stick. I was gonna use this, but I always use Hoola bronzer by Benefit. If you guys have a good contour, let me know in the comments because I really want to try a new one. I'm gonna use another bronzer. This one's from Hourglass. It's called Radiant Bronze Light. It's their lighting bronzer. So it looks like this. I haven't used this in so long, so I'm gonna try this and see. Yeah, it's pretty. I'm gonna use another powder. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. I don't like this powder for my face. I just use it to bake under my cheek because I just want to use it up. So I'm just gonna take that and I just use my sponge for this and just kind of clean up my contour. I'm really bad with contour, so this helps me a lot. I'm gonna dust off all this powder under my eye. I'm gonna put this on my T-zone because I do get super oily, so put that in the center of my face. I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow underneath, so I'm gonna use this color called Elfish. It's just like a dark brown. It's from the ColourPop palette. And my favorite brush for this is this Wet n Wild one. I love this for the under eye. For blush, I'm gonna use this Clinique one. This used to be my favorite in high school. This is called A Glow. And it's like the perfect kind of like peachy, bronzy type of color. I love colors like this. Oh, I love this blush. Oh my god, I haven't used this in so long. It's freaking beautiful. For highlight, I'm gonna use this Ofra Rodeo Drive. It's like this beautiful gold. And I'm gonna use this little brush for Morphe M504. You don't even need to wet this. This highlight's crazy. My favorite video is, look at my girl. She's so crazy. And she's like, hi babe. I'm gonna try to blend it out with my blush brush. I'm not really an intense blush person, but I feel like for this look, it's doable. All right, for lips, this is my favorite part. This is the NYX lip liner in Hot Red. So I'm gonna use this first to line my lips. Maybe I should go in with a darker one. What should I do? I'm gonna use MAC Cork. It's like a brown lip liner. Hopefully that neutralizes it a little bit. So for the lipstick, this is my favorite red of all time. It's by Wet n Wild. It's called Missy and Fierce. This color is so bomb. It's like the perfect red, and this is literally like $5. I actually think this turned out pretty good. I was a little worried because the lip liner, but I'm gonna set my face now with the Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair off camera because I don't have a plug near me, but I'm just gonna use a 1-inch curling iron, and then I'll show you guys the finished makeup look. Alright guys, so this is the finished hair and makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do want to see more makeup tutorials, then give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. I curled my hair again with a 1-inch curling iron. I think it's from Hot Tools or Babyliss, one of those. Still getting used to this blonde hair. This is actually the first time I've gotten ready with my new hair, so it's kind of different, you know, to look at myself being blonde. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah.